If you want to prepare healthy and delicious meals in your kitchen, the best air fryers of 2025 offer excellent options. These devices allow you to prepare crispy and tasty dishes with less oil compared to traditional frying methods. Air fryers are not limited to frying. They also support roasting, baking, reheating, and other functions. Among the models released in 2025, air fryers stand out with their large capacities, multifunctional cooking modes, and user-friendly interfaces, making them ideal choices to simplify your kitchen tasks. These devices save you time with their fast and even cooking technology, while also allowing you to prepare healthier meals. Each one makes daily kitchen tasks easier with its ease of use, functionality, and easy cleaning. To prepare healthy meals and lighten the load of your kitchen tasks, the best air fryers of 2025 are the perfect choice. Let's get to know the products. Number 5. Philips Essential Air Fryer XL. The Philips Essential Air Fryer XL is the perfect choice for creating crispy and healthy meals while saving time. Its 6.2-liter capacity is ideal for large family dinners and gatherings with friends. With 2,000 watts of power and rapid air technology, it cooks food quickly and evenly. Plus, compared to traditional methods, you can cook with up to 90% less fat. The air fryer is not just a fryer. It also grills, roasts, bakes, and reheats, making it a multifunctional kitchen tool. Its 7 preset modes make it incredibly easy to use. Cleaning is stress-free too. Its removable parts are dishwasher safe. Additionally, with the Philips Kitchen app, you can access hundreds of recipes. With its modern design and practical use, this device is sure to become your favorite kitchen companion. Number 4. 2-Quart Compact Air Fryer. If you're living alone or have limited kitchen space, this is perfect for you. Its 2-quart capacity is ideal for 1 to 2 servings, and its sleek, lightweight design makes it easy to move around and store. Perfect for dorms, RVs, or small apartments, it even comes in trendy colors like aqua, red, black, white, and gray to match your style. With Air Crisp technology, you can enjoy crispy meals with 75 to 80% less oil than traditional frying. From fries to roasted veggies or chicken wings, healthier meals are just a step away. The manual temperature and timer controls are simple to use, while the 30-minute timer and auto shutoff feature prevent overcooking. Safety is enhanced with its heat-resistant exterior and anti-slip feet. Cleaning is effortless thanks to the dishwasher-safe, non-stick basket. While its 1,000-watt power means slightly longer cooking times, its compact design and efficiency make it a great choice for anyone prioritizing convenience and healthier eating. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Max Air Fryer AF400. This powerhouse stands out from the previous models we've discussed, with its incredible capacity and advanced features designed for large families or those who love preparing meals in bulk. With a massive 9.5-liter capacity and 2,470 watt power, it ensures faster cooking, making it perfect for large gatherings. The dual-zone technology allows cooking in 2 separate compartments with independent settings, while the sync function ensures both zones finish at the same time. This air fryer offers 6 modes: Max Crisp, Air Fry, Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate, making it versatile for a variety of dishes. The intuitive touchscreen interface and customizable settings make it easy to use. Cleaning is easy with dishwasher-safe baskets, though hand washing is recommended to preserve the non-stick coating. It's more energy efficient than ovens and has a powerful heating system that reduces preheating time. Though it's large, it's an excellent choice for those seeking versatility and capacity. Number 2. The next product is the Cosori 9-in-1 5-quart Air Fryer, an excellent choice for anyone looking to modernize their kitchen routine. This popular device offers a wide range of features and a sleek design. Compact and stylish, the 5-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, fitting comfortably in smaller kitchens without taking up too much space. The 9 cooking modes include air frying, roasting, baking, grilling, reheating, fermenting, dehydrating, and keeping food warm. With the air frying mode, you can cook meals using 95% less oil. The temperature range goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and Turbo Blaze technology ensures even and fast cooking. A standout feature is the shake reminder, which alerts you to shake your food for even cooking. The intuitive touch control panel makes it easy for first-time users. Plus, all parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 1. Our final product is the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. It's the perfect choice for those who want to save time in the kitchen without compromising on taste or health. Let's dive into the details. The Instant Vortex Plus offers an impressive 6-liter capacity despite its compact design. This makes it ideal for preparing meals for the whole family. Its matte black finish and touchscreen interface add a modern touch to your kitchen. The combination of a rotating knob and touch panel makes cooking incredibly easy. As the name suggests, this air fryer offers 6 different cooking modes: air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, dehydrating, and broiling. With turbo heat technology, your food cooks quickly and evenly. The air frying mode uses 95% less oil compared to traditional frying methods, making it a healthier option. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. Plus, the shake reminder feature helps ensure your food is cooked evenly by reminding you to shake it during cooking. That's all for our product reviews. Don't forget to leave your feedback. See you next time.